Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll delve into a common problem that many C++ developers encounter while working with nested requirements. In this case, the problem revolves around a code snippet that aims to utilize nested requirements in C++ concepts, but results in compilation errors. Let's dive into the details and see how we can address this issue. The solution to the problem lies in understanding how concepts should be used to constrain template type parameters. In the provided code snippet, the concept codeVariadicAddablecode is correctly defined, but it cannot be used to constrain multiple type parameters simultaneously. When compiling with Clang, the error message highlights that each in the type parameter pack TS is individually checked for satisfaction of the concept codeVariadicAddablecode, causing the constraints to be unsatisfied. To rectify this issue, we need to incorporate the concept codeVariadicAddablecode within the coderequires code clause of the template function. By modifying the code to include coderequires variadicaddable and LT, TS, and GT code in the function template, we ensure that the concept validation applies to the entire parameter pack as intended. This adjustment allows the compiler to correctly assess the constraints and compile the code without errors. Building on the previous step, the updated function template now includes the coderequires code clause with the concept codeVariadicAddablecode applied to the full parameter pack code TS code. By specifying the constraint in this manner, we guarantee that the concept validation considers the entirety of the arguments passed to the function, enabling the successful compilation and execution of the code snippet. In summary, by revising the placement of the concept constraint within the coderequires code clause of the function template, we have effectively resolved the compilation errors that emerge from improperly applying nested requirements in C++ concepts. I hope this explanation has shed light on how to navigate similar challenges in your own coding endeavors. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding, and until next time.